Batteries can explode with the force of 1 billion nuclear bombs, sending shrapnel flying in all directions. This phenomenon is known as a thermal runaway, where the internal temperature of the battery rises uncontrollably. Imagine a grain of sand containing an entire library of volatile chemicals, just waiting to ignite. But what triggers this chain reaction? Is it a manufacturing defect or something more sinister? Scientists discovered that a single faulty cell can cause the entire battery to malfunction. This means that even the smallest imperfection can have catastrophic consequences. Thermal runaway occurs when the internal resistance of the battery is too high, causing the chemical reactions to accelerate. It's like trying to contain a wildfire, but the flames are fueled by electricity and chemicals. When this happens, the battery can reach temperatures of up to 1,000 degrees Celsius in just a few minutes. That's hotter than molten lava, and it can cause the battery to burst into flames. But that's not the strangest part. The explosion can also release toxic chemicals into the air. These chemicals can cause serious harm to humans and the environment, making thermal runaway a major concern. In fact, lithium-ion batteries, which are commonly used in electric vehicles and smartphones, are prone to thermal runaway. This is because they contain highly reactive materials, such as lithium and cobalt, which can ignite easily. The risk of thermal runaway is so high that some manufacturers are now using advanced safety features to mitigate the risk. These features include heat sensors, voltage regulators, and specialized battery casings. But even with these safety features, thermal runaway can still occur if the battery is not used correctly. For example, overcharging a lithium-ion battery can cause the internal temperature to rise, leading to thermal runaway. So what can you do to avoid thermal runaway? First, make sure to follow the manufacturer's guidelines for charging and discharging the battery. Second, avoid exposing the battery to high temperatures or physical stress. And third, keep the battery away from flammable materials, such as gasoline or paint thinner. By following these simple precautions, you can minimize the risk of thermal runaway and ensure safe battery use. But wait until you hear what comes next. Some manufacturers are now developing batteries that can withstand even the most extreme conditions.
These batteries are designed to be more resilient to thermal runaway, using advanced materials and safety features.
They're like a fireproof suit for your smartphone or electric vehicle, protecting you from the dangers of thermal runaway. And then something unexpected happened. Scientists discovered a way to harness the energy released during thermal runaway. This energy can be used to power small devices, such as sensors or medical implants. The implications are staggering. Thermal runaway, once a major concern, can now be seen as a valuable resource. But what about the risks? Are we trading off safety for convenience? The answer is complex and multifaceted. As we continue to develop new battery technologies, we must also prioritize safety and responsible use. This means educating consumers about the risks of thermal runaway and providing clear guidelines for safe battery use. By working together, we can minimize the risks and maximize the benefits of thermal runaway. And that's why this phenomenon is so fascinating. It's a reminder that even the most seemingly hazardous events can have unexpected benefits. So what's the key takeaway from this story? It's that thermal runaway is a complex issue requiring a nuanced approach. We must balance the benefits of battery technology with the risks of thermal runaway, ensuring safe and responsible use. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Want more mind-blowing facts? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery. Join us next time as we explore more amazing stories about the intersection of science and technology.